Alright, let us now talk about Skype. Skype is one of the most popular application or voice over internet protocol VoIP service. It allows you to do instant messaging and make voice and video calls to fellow Skype users on the internet for free. You can even call people abroad on their phones or cell phones for fairly affordable rates. Let me tell you that Skype software was originally created in 2003 by Swedish entrepreneur Niklas Jenstorm and his partner Danish Janus Fries. It has been owned by Microsoft since 2011. Students, do you know what you need to do to set up Skype? Before you download Skype, it's better to know about the basic requirements. You must have a high-speed internet connection. You should have speakers or headphones and a microphone. A webcam is needed if you want to make video calls. Install the software for the webcam and then plug in webcam to a computer. Nowadays, new computers come with built-in webcams. There are two versions of Skype: Skype for Windows, Skype for Mac. Okay, now let's learn how to download and install Skype for Windows. To download and set up Skype, go to skype.com. Click on Get Skype tag and select the category Windows. Select the blue box that says Download Skype. A form will appear with the name Create an Account or Sign In. Click on Create an Account tab. Fill in the required information. Enter the desired username, which will be considered as Skype name. If the username you want already exists, Skype will give some helpful suggestions. Enter the desired password, then reconfirm it in Repeat Password box. After entering password, type the security text in the text box. This is to confirm that you are a real person, not a computer setup for spamming. Review the term of service and click on I agree continue tab. Now your account will be created and Skype will begin downloading the setup application. When the downloading is completed, open Skype setup.exe file. Depending on your download settings, you might find the file either on the desktop or in your browser's downloads window. You will find the installing Skype window on the screen. Select the language and click on I agree. Next button to continue. The download will take a couple of minutes. You will check the process of installation by watching the green bar at the bottom. When the installation is completed, a new login window will open. Enter your username and password and then click on Sign Me In tab. The Skype window will open. When you open Skype for a new session, the window will look like as shown in the next page. Click on Continue tab. A new Skype window will appear where you can check your sound and video settings. Click on Continue tab. Add a profile picture and click on Start Using Skype tab in the next window. To add contacts of Skype users, click on Add a Contact tab or select Contact, then go to Add Contacts option. Enter the email, phone number, full name and Skype name of a person in a Add a Contact window. If one match is found and the person is same who you are looking for, click on Add tab. If more than one contact matches your search, click on View to see the list of matches. Click Add Contact below the person you want to add. Once the contact is added, the next step will be to send the request. Click on Send Request tab. A page appears confirming that your contact request has been sent. Skype allows you to chat with people similar to instant message, or you can call people and speak to them. It also allows for video during calls. To make a call, click on the contact you wish to call. When the contact appears, you will have two green buttons to choose from. Click on either the green call button or the green video call button. This will allow you to call your contacts and talk to them either with or without video. Now let us find out how to import contacts. This is a wonderful feature to add contacts of more than one person at a time that uses Skype. Open the Skype window and sign in. Click on Contacts on the menu bar and select Import Contacts. Pick a service you use, like Gmail or Yahoo, and enter your username and password. Click on Import to see a list of search results. Then you can add people individually or all at once. Okay, now let's learn how to create a blog. A blog is an easy-to-create website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. The word blog comes from weblog because a blog consists of a signed and dated log of individual postings. The topic of the blog can be anything from personal to professional. A blog is what you make of it. Also, let me share the fact that while navigating around Blogger, if you are not on the dashboard page, you will find a blue button at the top right corner of the page back to dashboard. Open the site www.blogger.com. The Blogger site will open. Let me share an interesting fact with you. Blogger was launched in 1999. To create a blog with the Blogger site, you must have an account email in Gmail. Else, you will have to create a new Gmail account. Sign in using your Gmail username and password. Specify a name in the display name text box. This name will appear as your signature in the articles you will post on this blog. Click on Continue button. Specify a title for your blog. Say Creative Expressions. The title will appear at the top of every page of your blog. The title should reflect about the contents in your blog. Specify the URL address of your blog. Say Ridhima Bhatia. Your blog address URL will be your identity on the web, and it will be used to read and link to your blog. Click Continue. Different templates for your blog will be displayed. Select the template of your choice. The template choice can be changed later on. Click on Continue button. The following screen will be displayed. Your blog has been created. To add content to your blog, click on Start Blogging. The posting page of your blog will be displayed as shown in the figure. Under the Posting tab, you can enter the title for your blog post and the content, text, images, videos, and web links for your posting. To format the text, use the toolbar shown just above the content window. This is almost similar to the MS Word toolbar. Click Publish Post after you have entered the content and formatted it properly. You will see the window on the next page. Click on View Blog button to view your own blog. Let me tell you that www.wordpress.com is another very popular site to create free blogs. Similarly, you can add more contents to your blog by clicking on the Create a New Post button. You can use different menu options under the Settings tab to edit your profile, your blog address, invite others to view your blog, or add them as members to your blog. To change the appearance of your blog, click on Design tab. You can change the template of your blog, add, modify, delete the page elements of your blog. After making the necessary changes, click on the Sign Out button at the top right. To view your blog, type your URL, for example ridhimabhatia.blogspot.com, and press the Enter key. Your blog will be displayed. Now let me share a fact about URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It specifies the internet address of a file stored on a host computer connected to the internet. Every file on the internet has a unique URL. Web browsers use the URL to retrieve the file from the host computer and the specific directory in which it resides. Students, note that you can create blogs in many popular languages like Hindi, etc. by selecting the language option at the top right of the Blogger page. To add or modify the content in your blog or to make changes in the blog structure, click on the Sign In button at the top right of your blog window or open the site www.blogger.com. Sign in with your username and valid password. The dashboard will be displayed. The dashboard in an area which contains all the options for managing a blog. Click on New Post to add new entries in your blog, or click on Edit Post to make changes in your existing post. Always remember to sign out while leaving your blog site. Now, let me quickly tell you that you can reserve and print railway tickets without visiting railway station. Log on www.irctc.co.in.